Are you looking for the best non-stick cookware sets? Non-stick cookware sets remain one of the most frequently purchased categories in home kitchens because they promise easier cleanup, lighter weight, and more forgiving cooking surfaces for beginners and seasoned cooks alike. To deliver a rigorous, consumer-focused comparison, I evaluated each set on build quality, coating durability, temperature tolerance, compatibility with cooktops of product number 1. Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized. Overview. This 14-piece set from Tefal uses hard anodized aluminum with a titanium non-stick coating and thermospot heat indicator. It is oven safe to 400 degrees Fahrenheit with lids to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and is compatible with gas, electric, and induction stoves. Not induction for the product notes. The detailed specs say induction compatible. The inclusion of a Dutch oven, multiple fry pans, and a steamer insert makes it a versatile starter to mid-range collection. The vented tempered glass lids and riveted silicone handles add to usability, while the dishwasher-safe claim improves maintenance. The weight and dimensions indicate a substantial but manageable footprint for a 14-piece set. In practice, the thermospot preheat indicator can help novices avoid under or overheating, though it adds a visual cue that users must learn to interpret quickly. The nonstick performance benefits from a titanium-infused coating that tends to be durable under moderate use, but seasoned cooks should still avoid metal utensils to preserve longevity. The set's wide range of pot and pan sizes supports a variety of cooking tasks, from a 1 to 3 quart sauce pots for sauces to a 5-quart Dutch oven for braises. On induction, performance is generally reliable if the base is fully contacting the coil. Users should confirm compatibility with their exact cooktop model. Cleaning is straightforward due to non-stick properties, though the exterior.
Product number 2. Hexclad Hybrid Non-Stick 6-Piece. Hexclad 6-piece fry pan set uses a hybrid technology that combines stainless steel with a ceramic non-stick coating in a laser-etched hexagonal pattern. The set includes 8, 10, and 12-inch pans with tempered glass lids and stay-cool handles. It's designed for versatility on all cooktops, including induction, with tri-ply construction and an aluminum core for quick, even heating. The pans are dishwasher safe and rated safe up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit in the oven, with lids rated 400 degrees. Hexclad provides a lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects. In use, the Hexclad system delivers excellent sear potential thanks to its stainless steel surface, while the ceramic non-stick reduces food sticking during delicate tasks. The hex pattern is claimed to facilitate easy food release while maintaining durability against metal utensils. However, some cooks notice a learning curve with heat management to maintain non-stick performance, especially when transitioning from higher heat searing to lower heat finishing. The 3-piece set covers most everyday frying needs, and its duction compatibility makes it a compelling all-rounder for modern kitchens. Cleaning is straightforward, and the cookware is forgiving of routine misuse, though high heat searing can still require proper oil for best results.
Product number 3. Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized. This 17-piece Tefal set expands the lineup with extra fry pans and a larger total capacity, maintaining hard anodized aluminum and the thermospot indicator. It is designed for non-induction use, with oven compatibility up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and lid tolerance up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The set includes multiple saucepans, 11.5-inch fry pan with lid, a covered sauté pan, a griddle, a Dutch oven, steamer insert, and a versatile egg wonder fry pan. As a heavier, more comprehensive collection, it positions itself as a direct upgrade over the 14-piece version for families or frequent multi-dish meal preppers. Performance-wise, the 17-piece version benefits from the same thermospot technology and riveted silicone handles as its smaller sibling, delivering consistent heat management and comfortable handling. However, like the 14-piece set, it does not explicitly promise induction compatibility in all listing variants, so prospective buyers should confirm their exact model's induction support. The heavier weight, nearly 29 pounds, can be a factor for users with limited storage or weaker wrists, but the extra pieces provide flexibility for cooking for larger groups. Cleaning remains straightforward thanks to non-stick coatings.
Product number 4, Carotte 17 Pieces Pots. Overview. Carotte offers a 17-piece granite non-stick set featuring detachable Bakelite handles for space-saving storage and oven safety. The set is designed for versatile use across gas, electric, induction, and even RV cooking scenarios with a 12-month warranty. It emphasizes ease of cleaning and space efficiency, appealing to apartment dwellers or campers who value compact storage. The granite non-stick surface and BPA-free, PFOA-free construction are aligned with the consumer preference for safer materials. In practice, the removable handles are a standout differentiator, enabling you to detach the pans for oven or storage convenience, or use them on a grill. You do sacrifice some rigidity in the attachment system compared with riveted metal handles, so proper use and alignment are key to secure handling during cooking. The cookware is noted to be induction compatible and oven safe, making it a flexible choice for modern kitchens. While cleaning remains simple due to non-stick performance, the detachable design adds a layer of complexity for first-time users.
Product number 5, 16 PCS Pots Overview. This budget-oriented 16-piece set from AnyMark uses an aluminum granite non-stick surface with Bakelite handles. It targets value-conscious shoppers with a large included accessory set, silicone spatula, pliers, and pot protectors, and a broad selection of pots and pans, including a 9-inch and 11-inch fry pan and multiple covered pieces. It claims dishwasher compatibility as no, and emphasizes rapid and even heating for everyday cooking on gas stoves. In terms of performance, the aluminum core supports quick heating, but the absence of dishwasher compatibility means more manual cleaning. The non-stick is positioned as easy to wipe down, and the set's large footprint makes it practical for daily meals or beginner cooks building a starter set. The inclusions, spatula, pliers, protectors, enhance value, though the overall durability may be less robust than higher-priced hard anodized or hybrid sets. The lack of induction compatibility on some listings